want to try the frontay one. I haven't tried that one yet.
That's good right there. Hey, teacher, that's good right there, right there. I'm gonna get it over there. How much? Brian, I want what Casey got. I want what Casey got.
If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. Up, then it's up. If it's up, then it's stuck. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. I can make the party hot. I can make your body.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Y'all, we get ready to head on our trip.
Is that thing on? Good, I look like. You better get it all in.
So, you guys, we're heading on a family trip to New Orleans. And yeah, we're about to have so much fun.
What I was about to say, you can't put on camera.
Okay, you guys, so we're waiting on the trailway bus right now. And my voice is a little, you know, under the whip. So I got a mask right here.
Oh, I didn't see it.
That's alright, keep this. Alright, y'all, so we're waiting on the trailway bus. We have everyone out here. I'm gonna let you see y'all. See all the cars out here. It's lit. It's lit. It's lit. Alright, y'all, so I guess we'll just stay tuned till we get on the bus.
Should be bike.
We'll be right back, okay? But before we get into this video, make sure you
Mask up, put your mask on.
no, that we were saying like, comment, subscribe, hit
Cause we gotta teach them safety first, so they don't go around getting about no COVID and thing.
mask up, y'all. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Now see. All right, sisters, cause somebody wanted to be in the vlog. Okay. Okay, she not going to true, baby. She underage. Okay, but we got
Bean Bone.
SB. Then we got Jalen.
Don't do that to them.
Say hey. Alright, y'all, so we're on this bus, so we're waiting for it to pull off. So we're probably gonna see y'all when we get to our next stop, which I think is the casino. I'm pretty sure it is, so I'll let y'all know when we get there. And eat my food. So I'll see y'all the next destination. I'm gonna show y'all this bus. I don't want to get copyright about this out the way. Alright, y'all, we made it to our room, well, the hotel, and we headed up. And we head up to our room. So yeah, let me take this stuff up. Let me get back with y'all. Alright, y'all, we headed to our room. We struggling. Push the bags. Suitcase, push the bags. What room number we in?
1509.
Did we pass it? Okay. So, head to the room. Stuff is heavy. Which way? Alright, so in our room. Open the door. Oh shoot. Gotta put the card in. Ooh. Struggling to get in. Guess I'll just throw it. Alright. This is our room. Do a quick little room tour, y'all. But we're in our room. Tired. So, the door, the mirror, got our bed, small little room. Check out the view. See what the view is talking about. This our view, y'all. Nice little room. Baby, got to stay safe. Got to stay safe, baby. Spray everything. Finna wipe it all down. Yeah, open this up.
Don't sleep on the pillowcase.
Huh?
Don't sleep on them, they're dirty.
Yeah.
Pull the sheets back.
Pull the sheets back, baby. Wipe them down. All right, y'all. Let me help her wipe down before we take our mask out. All right, y'all. So we back and we headed to a boat ride. So we finna meet everybody out there. I'm gonna go soon. Yeah, we finna right. We finna take some shots first. Then we finna head downstairs to meet everybody. You got shot glasses? Don't need one right there. He got some cups on the damn bus stop.
I don't know why I thought. Why ain't they the ground?
Eyebrows flicked out, period.
He gonna want a shot though, and I ain't got no the bottle downstairs. I don't know.
Y'all got some coffee cups in there?
Yeah, we got one.
I want some coffee cup. We're back. Let me take our shots. Alright.
You did the black cone. You put it back in there?
I don't think I brought it. Come on, go back and get it real quick. Y'all, this view is everything.
I was just finna think.
All right, y'all. So we about to get on the boat, and that's the boat. It's not real big. How y'all feel about getting on this boat? Are you nervous? You so stupid. You what?
I'm scared.
We ain't been about 10 cruises.
Sit down, right back.
You been do what?
Be sitting down, right back and forth. I'm scared.
Not scared, baby. Not scared. We just sit here waiting. We got everybody in the club. Everybody, we're dressed in red and black for our auntie. It's her birthday. She turned 50 plus 18. As she said, 50 plus 18, what she said. All right, y'all. So I see y'all. That's birthday girl right there.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We got our first, 'cause we was on time. Hey.
Okay, we was on time, baby. So we just got our tickets. So
Cause we
I
was on
see y'all.
time, we get our ticket first.
It was on time, baby.
Look, everybody running to get their ticket.
All right, look, right. Let me tell y'all, get on that boat. Joe walking up, baby, had my nerves on 1,000, anxiety on 1,000. Like we ain't been on the big cruise.
Huh? I had told him how long.
My wife. Your phone flash. They want you.
Not definitely my wife.
Oh, Lord Jesus. Come on, let's hold hands. Huh? Yeah, look at all that water. It's a little steep, baby. Oh, it's 2 steps. Party. Huh? Says about private party. Guys, it is pretty out here, but I am a little nervous about this. Yeah, like I haven't been on cruises. I've been on 10 of them. Been on 10 cruises, and I'm nervous.
Oh, when your life is The sun comes shining, but when you're running, you on the rain, so stop that sighing.
Is we supposed to be in here before we get comfortable?
Keep on
Here,
smiling.
somebody that shit over there.
Okay, y'all, so it's nice in here. Okay, it's a little vibey vibe. It don't matter where we sit at. We can sit over here.
We got sign seats.
All right, so they're making us go downstairs.
Wrong communication. They communicated with the wrong person.
Yeah, communication. Negative.
Well, get me on there. Hey,
Hey, this man telling us the wrong way. Now we walking extra. Keep it.
I did not
Right. Trying to be on the vlog. Now he's trying to be on the vlog, y'all. All right, so now we following directions. Let's see what's in the go. Right. Okay. Working hard down these stairs. Uh-oh, don't fall now. I'm gonna have to edit it out. Don't want to hit YouTube. Baby, I'm gonna drop my camera. It's gonna be a sad day today. Sad day tonight. All right, so here we go. Right direction. Period.
see some red. You got to do your finger that pops.
Okay, right.
Go ahead, yo.
Are we all sitting at one table?
I don't know,
Oh,
y'all.
it's two little different tables.
All right, y'all. Look at this food. It's okay. You got seafood pasta, chicken, salad roll, mashed potatoes, and jambalaya. It's okay. I give it maybe a 6 out of 10. What you give your food, Ashley? Brianna. How would you get your food right? A 3 out of 10? Right. I'd say about a 6 out of 10. It's alright. Y'all, so we back. This vlog is gonna be a little everywhere cause baby, we walking, don't know where we going. It do. That trash. We don't know where we're going.
You finna go to the casino? Oh. I just want to know. We gotta hide somewhere. Where we gonna go?
I don't know. Good morning, y'all. It's currently 9:08 and we up. About to get ready to go to some stores. Tired. Didn't get much. I got a little footage yesterday, but y'all probably get more footage today. We got Sis over there. Well, we finna get up and get ourselves together. And when we're dressed, we'll get back with you. We probably go to the mall, flea market, and just try to find something to do today. Cause we leave tomorrow. All right, we'll see you guys when we're dressed. All right, y'all, so we dressed and we about to get ready to head to the mall and the flea market. And this is our fit for today. So
I need to get my jacket.
yes, so bring a jacket. And this outfit for the day. Y'all, my hair gets so puffy all the time. It's being natural for me, okay? It's being real natural for me. So, gotta get my scrunchie just in case. But we finna head downstairs. Yeah, here's the flea market. You ready, Sue? Got your key. Baby, and we're walking, about to head down there, so I'll see y'all when we get downstairs to the lobby. Alright, y'all, it's blurring, trying to get it for there. I'm sorry, I'm gonna put you in my video. And we headed to the mall. Yeah, and on the way back. Alright, so we're going over some more flights. Baby, you gonna be in this vlog, cause when I get famous, don't be trying to get on the deal. Baby, it's a lot of them. Huh? Hopefully this last one. Alright, y'all, I ain't got nothing to talk about. So I'm gonna see y'all when we get to the mall, cause we walking the green mile. Huh? That's cute what you got on. Fit check, fit check.
Pretty little thing. Always.
My son's sports team seems to be here.
Wait, say that again.
Outfit, pretty little things. Shoes, my drip chick.
Brianna.
Hold on. Beats by beats.
Wait, okay, wait.
Bro, we're going another
Okay.
Huh?
So,
Yeah.
outfit by Amazon, shoes by us, purse by my cars, necklace for Walmart.
Come on, go.
Get ready for the Walmart, baby. So let me tell you something. Baby, I shopped at Walmart.
The one I
Ain't no shame in my game.
I had on
Period.
Thanksgiving came from Amazon.
Yes, baby. Amazon.
What you had on Thanksgiving? That cheetah print.
That was cute too. That was on Thanksgiving, right?
Huh?
That was on Thanksgiving, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they finna leave us.
Yes, I did. I had the vest on top of it.
Alright, y'all. Ashley,
Walk in to the left.
this your store, Ashley? This is definitely your store.
When they asked me, she can't do it. I thought about you.
Let me see.
And a big dog was in there.
Tell your dog say hello. They got dog and wine. Y'all. Cause period, pet winery.
Chewy baton. That's so cute.
They got the rose.
I won't even buy her nothing like this, because you know what?
Actually, your dog already crazy. Ain't no point buying no wine for him.
Hi. I got to close the door.
Ain't no dog in here.
My brain one.
So what?
My brain one. That's so cute.
That's cute in here. These are so cute. Talk to the paw. It's your attitude. Talk to the paw. Baby, I'm so weak at this section right here. Cause first of all, it's the wine for me. It's the dog wine for me. Yes.
Something you can work on. Chew it up.
I got a little hot. So I put my hair in a ponytail. It's just gonna have to work for today. Being natural is so hard, y'all. The store.
It was the Louis Vuitton.
I'm about to head to the flea market. I found my mom and my auntie first and we headed to the flea market.
What breed?
In the coast store with okay.
I'm sorry.
Come on, let's go.
I'm trying to show you my body.
Hey, boo boo. Hey, boo.
Hey, take a look. Uh-oh.
Hey, boo boo. Hey, boo boo.
Oh, hey, mama, you so precious, Ava. Ava. Hey, she said, huh? What she said? She glad to see her mama face. Look.
Hey, boo boo. Alright, y'all, so we just got out the trolley and we gotta catch the bus to get to the flea market. So yeah.
What is it? 5, 2, and 5, 5, 2. That's 2. That's 5. So what we gonna catch? Okay. Oh. What you say?
This one. He said, well, I said for y'all to be.
All right. I don't know what we'll do without you. I don't know what we'll do.
Y'all had one job.
Cashed out at
Bro, we spent $20.
bro, we just cashed out $40 on some shirts. Cashed out. Got my baby and Skylar some shirts. Y'all, we is lit, baby. Let me tell you, we lit. Literally. Cause we lit out in the case.
I'm sorry?
We lit.
Now, this is smart. Oh, these are grown folks down here.
Yeah, she said them.
Okay, what's
We lit, baby, like literally. We lit.
Okay, so
Damn.
there ain't no large or nothing up here?
Yeah, because I got, I got salad meat, but I don't know questions.
I don't know about y'all, but I'm hungry.
You want to take some questions? At the bottom of the dish.
I was trying to find one. I'm trying to get a little rest.
So fast. She was so upset. Man, you still upset.
I'm ready to go to some Thai. I'm hungry. Ready to eat.
I thought it was my fault.
So I will see you guys at the next destination. Wherever we go. Hopefully some food.
I ain't find that time. I'm still trying to figure out why you drove so fast. You were hot. Baby, she was hot. She was mad, man. What's up, babe? I'm just,
You hungry?
I'm hungry.
You hungry?
Yeah.
You hungry? That sandwich is gone that we had for breakfast.
That food we had on that boat yesterday was a 3 out of 10.
No, baby, it was good.
Really like a 6 out of 10.
And that jambalaya, oh my God, it was the
I ain't never been there.
That's what I said. The chicken was really good.
Now look, I even.
Oh, yeah, that's what I thought. You had to go back to the next bag.
So y'all about this cute little bag. Let me show y'all. It's that French Quarters, New Orleans. Cute little bag. It smells like a funnel cake. Okay, all right, y'all. I'll see y'all next station. There's a lot of people here. I want to try the froze one. I haven't tried that one yet.
That's good right there. Hey, sister, that's good right there, right there. How much is it right there? How much? Brian, I want what Casey got. I want what Casey got.
All right, y'all. So we got Big Easy, daiquiri.
Oh my God. I never know what you saying. You want to massage that open my phone?
Yeah. Let me see. What y'all got, Casey?
I got Froze Day and Hurricane.
It is. Meanwhile, she ain't no alcoholic, so you know she get drunk quick. Yeah. Brianna, what you got?
She said she just got back to the room.
Froze Day. Yeah.
She don't have. I want to try the froze one. I haven't tried that one yet.
That's good right there. Hey, sister, that's good right there, right there. How much is it right there? How much? Brian, I want what Casey got. I want what Casey got.
Souvenir club.
We walking straight up, ain't it? We should have called those got this.
It's good, Alan. Now we need to go put something on our stomach before we be on the ground. to the penthouse. Show y'all my auntie room. Penthouse suite. It's a 3-bedroom, 2 baths. I'm sorry, correction. It's a 3-bedroom, 3 baths.
Kitchen.
With a full stack. Come on, Casey, let's take a tour.
Let's do it.
Let's take a tour, you guys. We about to take a tour of the penthouse suite. So we're gonna start with the door, okay? We're gonna start. We're taking a tour. This is the door where you walk in.
This is bedroom number
This is bedroom number 1. We're just gonna show you a little bit.
in the bathroom.
There's the bathroom, really nice.
Closet over there.
Room, closet, yes.
We got the kitchen area.
Kitchen area where all the food is not cooked. Cooking here though.
Let's
So we got chips, bread, sandwich meat, everything. We got
cupcake.
We got the margaritas.
Let's do another bedroom. It's
Here
food
we-
junkie.
It's okay.
We have kids.
Bedroom number 3. There's the door. No, number 2.
We got another full bath.
Another full bath. Come walking in here.
It's a nice.
Oh, they're real nice. It's an extra nice.
Living room, which converts into a bedroom because this is a loud bed. Comes
Yes.
down.
But we ain't finna pull it down for y'all because y'all ain't giving me no money yet.
Comes down.
Comes down to get some food. Good. We walking around. We was in Coach. Okay. Okay, I think Brie got her room key, so that's cool. All right, that's cool. Just let us know. You hear me? Just let us know, Ashley. You hear me? I shut up. Alright, we got our Coach stuff. I need a thumbnail. Good morning, you guys. It's the last day and we're leaving today. It's currently 9:20 and we're about to go downstairs to my mama room and then we'll come back up and get our stuff. And this is the outfit for today. Girl pal, representing the brand. Yeah, all that. Anyway, so we finna go. I don't think I got my key. Put my mask on. Grab my key. Go and get the tea, okay? Let's go and get the tea. Oh, what now? It's hot. So, finna go downstairs. And we're walking. I ain't never squeezed. My order ready for pickup. My order ready at Michael's and I just placed the order. Yeah, I'm gonna get some canes before we leave because we don't have one in Montgomery. So, all right, we'll see y'all when we get the tea. Who? Talking about old girl. Oh, she did a good job though.
Yeah, she don't clip my hand because she don't clip too much with it.
Yeah. All right, y'all. So we headed on to the casino to get some food. Before we leave, we headed to the casino get food. Then we're gonna load up on the bus to go home. Cause I'm ready to see my baby. You ready to see your baby?
I ain't got no chewing gum.
Next year.